Hey everyone, welcome to his video review. Today I will be reviewing NeuraRephraser by Matt Garrett, who's also behind other cool things. NeuraRephraser make your content way better and help you make some money too. I will be leaving NeuraRephraser's official website below this video in the description box. Okay, so is this tool easy to use? Yup, totally. It's made to be simple, so even if you're new to this, you can still use it without any trouble. They also help you out if you get stuck. So let's talk about the cool stuff this tool can do. The first feature is called Benefit Booster. This thing helps you make your writing sound super exciting. It's like a spotlight on the good parts, so your readers get interested. The next one is called Analogy Architect. You know those times when things are confusing? This tool fixes that. It changes words so they're easy to understand and interesting. Then we have Empathy Engine. This one helps you write things that really touch people's feelings. You can make them feel like you're talking right to them. Another amazing feature is ConverCraft. Instead of just talking at your readers, you can talk with them. It's like having a real chat. We also have Narrative Nurturer. This one turns regular stories into amazing ones. Your readers will be hooked. We also have the Data Digger. This tool helps you put true facts into your writing. That way people will believe what you're saying. Another feature is Intrigue Innovator. It's important to get people interested from the start. This tool helps you do that with great opening lines. The next feature is Saga Sculptor. In a world of short stuff, it's not about being long, but about going deep. With Saga Sculptor, everything you create becomes like a big adventure. Your content won't disappear fast. It'll stick around and make people think. Next one is Solution Spotlight. If you're talking about a product, this tool helps you make it sound super cool and like the best choice. And the last feature is Motivation Maven. With this, you can write things that make people want to take action. It's like giving them a little push to do something. So how does NeuraRephraser work? It's super simple. You just put your writing in and it comes out sounding way better. It's like magic for your words. I got to try this tool out early and it's been awesome. It's changed how I write stuff and my readers seem to like it more. Whether I'm fixing old stuff or making new things, NeuraRephraser is a big help. Okay, so how much does it cost? Well, the main thing is only $27, which is not bad at all for what it does. There are more things you get too, but the main thing is pretty great on its own. So who can use NeuraRephraser? Lots of people. NeuraRephraser is good for newbies and affiliate marketers. So if you're new to this or want to make money online, this tool can help. It makes writing easier and more interesting. This tool is also for experienced marketers. Even if you know a lot, this tool is still handy. It saves time and makes your work better. This tool is also good for bloggers and website owners. So if you have a blog or website, this tool can make your stuff stand out and get more people interested. It's also good for social media marketers. If you use social media to talk about products, NeuraRephraser can help you write in a way that people like. NeuraRephraser is also good for content marketers. This tool can make your content better and help you get more people to your stuff. It's also good for e-commerce store owners. So if you have an online store, NeuraRephraser can help you write about your stuff in a way that makes people want to buy. Local businesses can also use this tool. Even small businesses can use this tool to write better and get more customers. And NeuraRephraser is also good for anyone who wants to make money online. So if you do stuff online, this tool can help you. It's good for all kinds of people, like writers, YouTubers, and more. So there you have it. NeuraRephraser is a tool that can turn boring stuff into awesome content. It's simple to use and can help all kinds of people, from beginners to experts. If you want to make your online things better, this tool is definitely worth checking out. Don't settle for regular when you can make it amazing with NeuraRephraser. And if you don't like it for whatever reason, there's a 30-day money-back guarantee. So guys, I'll leave a link below this video to the official website. Give it a shot and I can guarantee you won't regret it. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and I see you next time.